Okay, so let's go move to the reading annotation. So this is the text, the Oxford World Classics version of it. And it's a pretty good text, has a lot of good apparatus. So let me show you the apparatus first, and then we'll take a look at the text itself. So first of all, you have very good introduction, which we'll scan through in a second. Um, a chronology of Du Bois's life. He lived an incredibly long life, and he did an incredible amount of things. So he covers a lot of sort of important historical moments um, in American history, and he also is going to be talking a lot about American history, which tends to be part of the problem with the text with students, that the history sometimes gets in the way. So going over the chronology of his life is a quick way to um, get up to speed on some of the historical things that he's talking about. And then at the end of the text, you have a few other texts that they append to it. They're of interest, but the explanatory notes are really the real important thing there. They will be explaining aspects of history. They will also that Du Bois mentions. They will also, most importantly, be contextualizing the musical epigraphs that begin each of the chapters. So uh, he'll tell you what the song is and where it comes from, or the explanatory notes will do that. Okay, so let's page through the text here. So we have, like I said, excellent introduction. Um, you're not required to read this. I'll try to mediate as much of this as I go through the text as possible, but really good introduction. Can't say enough about it. And then it's going to get to the chronology of W.E.B. Du Bois. And so I've just highlighted a few aspects here. Like I said, he's born in 1868, dies in 1963. The Souls of Black Folk will be published in 1903. But it gives all the key points of his life and what's going on in American history at the time. So you can see he's born in the North. He's born in Massachusetts, but then he will go down to the South in order to study for a little bit and work, and then he'll come back and he'll go to Harvard, where he'll, I think, he'll get a PhD. He'll also study in Germany.